The name of this book is Fun with Colors, and it focuses on the color orange. Let's take a look at some of the things that are orange. This is an orange cat. This orange cat is sitting in a box. This little girl is wearing an orange shirt. She is wearing an orange t-shirt. This fish is swimming in a fish bowl. This fish is orange. This is a basketball. Basketball is a type of sport. This basketball is orange in color. This is a car. It is a sports car. Sports cars can go very fast. This car is orange in color. This car is orange. This picture shows fruits and vegetables. These fruits and vegetables are orange. There are carrots and butternut squash and oranges and sweet potatoes, and they are all types of food that are orange.